Unlock your coding potential with WeDoCare. Join us on an exhilarating journey into the captivating world of coding, computer languages, and essential skills. Whether you're a dedicated student or a seasoned professional, WeDoCare is here to help you unlock your coding potential. In this video, we'll delve deep into the intricacies of various programming languages, unravel complex coding concepts, and provide a glimpse of our comprehensive courses. At WeDoCare, we simplify the complexities of coding, making it accessible to everyone. Our mission is to empower you with the knowledge and skills required for success in your coding journey. With a primary focus on education, this video offers a tantalizing preview of the extensive content and valuable insights that await you at WeDoCare. We are committed to equipping you with the skills necessary to excel in the ever-evolving realm of coding and computer languages. Are you ready to embark on this transformative learning experience with WeDoCare? Get ready to excel in the world of coding and computer languages. The adventure begins here. Join WeDoCare and unlock your coding potential. Like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Let's start this exciting journey together.